And tonight we're getting a new look at the moments a man that ICE calls an alleged child predator was arrested during a sting in Portsmouth last summer. You'll remember this because it made national headlines, and he was later deported to Guatemala. Hello once again, everyone. I'm Dan Janik.
And I'm Emily Bowles. His attorney says the process, which is still in state courts, is causing problems in other cases. NBC 10's Ryan Medeiros joins us live in studio now with her concerns. Ryan.
Yeah, Dan, Emily, Josue Perez-Gomez was arrested last July on the lawn of the Portsmouth Police Station. By September, he was back in Guatemala without a chance to appear in state court. The defense attorney I spoke with says there are dozens of others who have found themselves in a similar dilemma. Officers swarming a man outside the Founders Brook Motel in Portsmouth as part of a sting operation last July. Police say 29-year-old Josue Perez-Gomez, who was living in Acushnet at the time, was looking to meet a 15-year-old girl for sex. After he posted bail, ICE agents took him into custody outside Portsmouth PD. Those few steps were the last he'd walk as a free man in the United States before he was deported back to Guatemala in September.
There's no justice in any of it.
Leah Beauclair is the attorney representing Perez and says he never saw the courtroom.
Because he was in ICE custody, he wasn't able to meet his arraignment date, which was in district court in Newport.
Perez was in DHS custody for about 2 months, then deported after an immigration hearing. Beauclair says because her client didn't appear, arrest warrants went out in both Newport District and Superior Court, further sullying his record.
Even though he was married to a United States citizen and he was on his correct path to legalization, he will now no longer likely be able to ever return to the United States.
While the allegations in the Perez case are certainly disturbing, Beauclair says there are other instances where people have been deported for far lesser alleged offenses, like a DUI. NBC 10 legal analyst Austin Dana says this is how it works in both Rhode Island and Massachusetts.
I don't know that there's an alternative to this system. I can see from a defendant's point of view the frustration. We now have a warrant out. The defendant, hasn't been able to go to court because he's in DHS custody. And now this warrant's jamming him up on the back end of things.
And in the case of Perez, ICE told NBC 10 that this is just another step in the Trump administration's plan in, quote, sending criminal illegal aliens where they should have been all along, home, end quote. In the studio, I'm Ryan Medeiros, NBC 10 News.